Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 7, and in today's tutorial, we'll explore the main Coohom Dashboard, understanding every option, where it is, and how it works. Let's get started. In the previous video, we learned how to create an account and log into Coohom. Now, let's take a tour of the dashboard so you'll know exactly where everything is and how to use it. When you open Coohom, the first page you'll see is the Home tab. At the very top, you have two quick start options, New Project or New Kitchen Project, which allow you to start designing immediately. Below that, you'll find Home Design Ideas. Here, you can browse inspirational projects created by other designers using Coohom. At the bottom, you'll see the Tutorial section, Coohom's own library of lessons for beginners to advanced users. You can learn from here, or follow along with my step-by-step videos in this masterclass. Next, let's look at the My Project section. If you're just starting out, this page will be empty, except for the New Project button. Once you start creating, all your designs will appear here. At the very top of the dashboard, you'll also see Home Design Ideas, Tutorials link, Help Center for quick support. At right, Language settings to switch Coohom to your preferred language. Notification bar to check updates and alerts. Profile menu where you can change account settings, update your logo, and more. You'll also notice another Create New Project button at the top right, also in center of the screen for quick access. Now let's move to the Personal Library. Here, you can upload your own 3D models, download models from Coohom, and even add custom textures. Below that is the Gallery, a space where all your created designs will appear. Since this is a new account, it's currently empty, but as we go through the course, you'll see your work displayed here. The Live Video section has two tabs, Video Template and Video Management. In the free basic version of Coohom, this feature is limited, but it's fully available in the Pro plan. The subscription section shows your available points and coupons. New users get bonus coupons and points when they first sign up. You can redeem these points for render images or videos. Just click the Redeem button next to the option you want. The Task Center is a great way to earn more points. For example, entering the design tool daily equals plus 100 points. Sharing your design equals plus 150 points. Posting in the design community equals plus 160 points. Starting a new project for the first time in a day equals plus 100 points. These points add up quickly and can be used to redeem more coupons. In the design community, you can upload your work and share it with other Coohom users. Worldwide, a great way to get feedback and inspiration. Finally, in Settings, you'll find two sections. General Settings, update your logo, change your profile. User Preferences, adjust measurement units and customize your workspace. Under Customization, you'll also find the panorama settings for desktop and mobile views, letting you control how your panoramic scenes are displayed. That's the Coohom Dashboard in a nutshell. As we move forward, we'll explore these features in detail while working on real projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all upcoming lessons in this masterclass. And remember, you can get 73% off on all Coohom Pro subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER. Just click the link in the description to grab the deal. I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!